Greetings, YouTube. Daddy Staten here, and I'm hanging out with my cool dog. And today we're gonna take on my flock as everywhere, Sara, with some cool music. Here's this one called "If I Let Go," the new one from My Flock Is Everywhere.
I found your voice in my voicemail again. 3 you were barely holding in. Said I don't know who you are these days. Yeah, I don't either, that's the worst part, babe. There's a half-empty bottle by the sink and a half-written apology in ink. I swear I meant every word I said, but meaning don't mean much when trust is dead. I keep tracing the cracks in the mirror, like if I fix them, I'll see clearer. Feels like a debt that never got paid. So if the distance my own distance, I turned your love into a war zone. Left you bleeding while I played alone. If letting go is your escape, don't stay. If I love you, I'll let you go. You memorized all my darkest moods, learned how to tiptoe around my truth. You carry weight that wasn't yours while I kept locking broken doors. I know sorry's just a word I use when I'm scared that I might lose. The only person who saw through the smoke and still believed in me too. Now every silence screams your name. Every empty room feels the same. I'd take it back if I knew how, but I'm not who you need right now. So if you hate me, I understand. I cut the rope and burn the land. I let my demons take control and called it just the way I go. If loving me just brings you pain and staying feels like standing in rain, don't drown, just try to hold me close. If I love you, I'll let you go. I never meant to make you my lifeline while I was sinking by design. You were the light I couldn't keep, 'cause I'm still fighting what's underneath. If you ever hear this song, know I knew it all along. You deserved a better woman than the one I am. So if you hate me, I understand. You gave me heart, I gave you sand. You gave me hope, I gave you fear. You gave me love, I disappeared. If walking away saves your soul, if loving me costs too much toll, I won't beg, I won't impose. If I love you, I'll let you go.
And that is "If I Let Go" by My Flock Is Everywhere, Sara. Be sure to check out the My Flock Is Everywhere channel for all the cool music. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll be back. Bye. We'll be back. We'll be back.